International Day in support of victims of torture. Torture is an inexplicable and horrendous act that ignores basic humanitarian values. It is barbaric and inhumane and replaces the rule of law with terror. Torture can never be justified and is a crime against humanity. Torture cases are not only registered in war-torn countries like Afghanistan, Iraq, Yemen, or Syria. Authoritarian governments in China, Iran, Russia, and Turkey also use national security as a pretext for torturing people. Torture often happens in secret, in police lockups, interrogation rooms, or prisons. In Turkey in 2019, 2,634 people filed complaints that they were tortured in detention centers or in prisons. Unfortunately, in Turkey, the perpetrators of torture are in most cases protected with decrees and laws. Furthermore, Turkey also lacks competent and willing judicial bodies to investigate well-grounded allegations of torture. Additionally, the government prevents the Committee for the Prevention of Torture of the Council of Europe to publish its 2016, 2017, 2018, and 2019 fact-finding reports, which should be interpreted as a proof of state-orchestrated torture. We urge the UN, the Council of Europe, the European Court of Human Rights, and the EU to stay vigilant in prevention of practices of systematic and widespread torture by the Erdogan regime and to bring the perpetrators to justice. In solidarity with all the victims of torture, HRD will advocate justice initiatives to hold perpetrators accountable under the Universal Jurisdiction Framework and will further put its efforts to end state-orchestrated torture in Turkey.